Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial, I'll show you to fix the issue on your Amazon Fire TV stick or Amazon TV where let's say you have applications that are crashing or they're not working as they should. Now I'm going to show you some troubleshooting tips. First of all, if an application is not working as it should, let's say YouTube for example, first step is to go to settings. Next, go to applications. Under applications, go to manage install applications. Under here, go all the way down and let's use YouTube as the example. Select YouTube, and what you want to do from here, guys, is to go ahead and clear the cache, and you're gonna go ahead and reboot the TV. And once you reboot the TV, go ahead and launch the app again from the main screen. If that doesn't work, you're gonna come back once more. You're gonna clear data this time. B1 is gonna log you out. Once you clear data, reboot the system, which is reboot the Fire TV stick or the TV itself, and relaunch YouTube once more. If that fails, the last resort would be to, let me go back. The last resort would be to uninstall the application. So what you want to do is come back in here. That's the third option, uninstall. That's that option there. And once you uninstall, reboot the TV and relaunch the application by reinstalling it. Sometimes they don't allow to uninstall certain apps. If it doesn't, then your only option is to clear cache and clear data. To refine the application, go back to the App Store. Once you go back to the App Store, you're gonna go to search, and for example, if it's YouTube, go ahead and search for YouTube here, and then click on install or whatever the application was, and it should replace the application. And what you want to do is to relaunch the application once it's installed. All right, so those are the main things that you can do for any app to actually fix most issues. I suggest that you start from the first suggestion and work your way down. That's a total of about 3 to 4 suggestions on how to fix apps that tend to be crashing. All right, so hope that was useful. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.